The Microsoft Authenticator app is a secure way to protect your accounts by adding an extra layer of security through two-factor authentication. Now, to start using it, first you got to download the app from your device's app store. So once installed, open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you're going to need to create it. After logging in, you're going to be prompted to add an account. You can either scan a QR code or enter a setup key provided by the service that you want to secure. Many online services like your email or work accounts offer the option to link with a Microsoft Authenticator for added protection. Now, when setting up an account, you'll typically receive a prompt to verify your identity. You can choose to receive a notification or enter a code manually. The app generates time-sensitive one-time passcodes that you'll use to complete the sign-in process. All right? Now, for extra convenience, you can enable notifications. So when you try to log into a linked account, the app will send a push notification simply asking for approval. Okay? Simply approve the request on your phone to gain access. This extra step this extra step helps to ensure that only you have access to your accounts, even if someone does have your password. Let me know if this helped.